Hi there, Face here. Welcome back to Nick Jr. I've got the hiccups. I don't know how I got these
Hiccups.
but I do know that I got them.
Yes.
I got
The hiccups.
coming up next. It's Muppet Show on Nick Jr.